Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Southwest Airlines error code 500620193. The error reads, "We are unable to process your request. Please try again. If you continue to have difficulties, please contact a Southwest Airlines customer representative." As per our research, the error comes when users try to book a flight using points along with a credit card for the balance. The error appears right after entering the credit card details and clicking Purchase. The first thing you should try is restarting the reservation. Simply go back to the home page and start the booking process again from the beginning. If restarting the reservation doesn't help, then restart your device and try the process again. If the error still appears, then try using a different credit card and see if this helps. If the error still continues, try making the reservation on a different device and see if this resolves the error. If you still receive the error after trying all these steps, then the issue is likely from the system side. In this case, we suggest you contact Southwest Airlines support and report the error for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.